Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to change the client window size in League of Legends. In order to change the client window size in League of Legends, it is very simple. Just open up your League of Legends client. After that, go to the top right hand side and click on the gear button. Now under the general section, scroll down until you find the window size section. Left click. Now from here, select a desirable screen size that you want. If you want a smaller screen size, you can select the 1024 x 576 one. It will make the window smaller. And if you want the biggest one, you have to choose the 1600 into 900 resolution. It will make the client extremely big, and you can easily navigate through the client. So this is how you can easily change the window size in League client.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.